here every single day, so I like it. He's not scared anyway. Yeah, when I zoom in it looks like really big. Is that the same one as last time?
Yeah.
He's got no mate and he looks really young.
Yeah, he's single.
I wonder where he lives like in normal times. Like he's obviously not living in bamboo.
No, definitely not.
Have you given him some seeds to eat?
It's on the floor, but I don't think he sees it. So I'm gonna put it closer.
Well, you should push the seeds closer to him.
Okay, I don't want to scare it, so.
Yeah. Alright, go and eat your salmon.
Okay,
I made pancake if you want pancake.
okay. I'm gonna try.
Canadian pancakes with maple syrup and bacon.
What I've learned is that birds go a bit nuts when there's two people around.
Don't scare them.
I'm trying not to.
Yuck.
Okay, it's fine.
Now go and give him the food, Chanel.
Oh, look, he's not taking it far away.
Let me sit down. Oh, my back's sore. Now go and give him the food. He's not scared.
So scared. He sees the seeds now.
Have you given him a name? Go and push the seeds out a bit further. He's not going to see them. He's not going to come that close.
Okay. I've seen them come that close.
I don't think so.
Come on, buddy. Come get it.
You have to like walk out with the seeds.
No, he hates it when you.
Well, push them out further then.
Oh,
No, bye.
Oh, Mom.